Everyone, welcome back to AzraBeautyHub.com. My name is Rosina. I'm an Avon independent sales representative, and today we're going to talk about the Morning Aura and Homestar Collection. Well, guess what? When people think of Avon, they think of beauty, they think of skincare, they think of fragrance, maybe jewelry, but they don't think of home stuff. Well, I'm here to tell you that Avon carries home stuff. And what do I mean by that? So home stuff like dish soap, cleaning products, household cleaning products, things like that. So I'm just going to go right into it so I can show you what I'm talking about. So the Homestar Collection, Avon has a couple of different things. So these products are available now, okay, at AzraBeautyHub.com. It's the Homestar Range Hood and Kitchen Degreaser. Okay, it's a multi-purpose degreaser. Okay, it's for stove tops, range hood, burner grates, barbecue grills, sink faucet, drain hole. So it's for all different types of cleaning things that you could use it for. All right, so you can eliminate powerful. It's a powerful removal of stubborn grease stains on range hoods. All right, so you can get this at AzraBeautyHub.com. It's 16.2 ounce. This one particularly, it's a kitchen degreaser. So when you shop with me as a representative, you can buy this for $9.99. Otherwise, the regular price for this is $12.99. Okay, so this is one of the products from Homestar that you can get. The other product is the Homestar Multi-Purpose Cleaner. It's a multi-purpose cleaner. 16.9 ounces. You can see it right here. Okay, all right, so you can see it right here. All right, it's bleach free, triple action power cleaner with citric acid and orange oil and baking soda to remove stubborn stains. It's a natural citrus scent. Okay, so it's for use on non-porous surfaces only. All right, so it's for $6.99 when you shop with me as a representative. Otherwise, a regular price, you can get it for $8.99. So here's another product from Homestar. Okay, now another product I'm going to talk about is not from Homestar. It is a vegan product for people who are vegan and love vegan products. It is called the Morning Aura Dish Soap. Okay, so I'm just going to show you to you real quick. It's an ultra degreaser, grease cutter. It removes old grime and stains. All right, so it's vegan, cruelty-free dish soap. Okay, here we go. It's pretty heavy duty. It's pretty big size. All right, show it to you so you can see it. All right, this is, if I can only find it, it's 65.9 ounces. Okay, now this comes in a set of 4. It just doesn't come by itself, so you can stock up for this. This comes in a set of 4. It's one of the brand new items to Avon. It's a set of 4 for $39.99. So when you purchase with me, so this huge bottle, you can get it for like $10 a piece when you buy all 4. If you do not shop with the representative, the regular price normally is $49.99. So this comes in a pack of 4. Okay, and I'll show all of these products to you in the brochure in a little bit. Now the next products are actually sneak peek just for my viewers. All right, these products have not been out yet for the customers to purchase. They're going to be available next month on my website at AzraBeautyHub.com. I was excited about that because they added a couple of more things to the home cleaning collection. So you can see it. All right, so this is a mop stick. All right, this is a mop stick. I'm going to open this in a little bit. All right, so it's kind of like the Swiffer version of mop stick, if you can picture that. Okay, I do have the Swiffer at home, and I love it. I absolutely love it. So I'm really psyched to try this and see how this works as well. So the dry mop cloths, and this is also from Homestar. It's 40 dry cloths, multi-surface. So it's for multi-surface cleaner, safe on all finished floors, for tile, for wood, for vinyl, and more. Okay, so here we go. All right, you can see that. Okay, again, it's by the company Homestar. Okay, and the next item is they're the wet mop cloths. Again, from Homestar, all right. Multi-surface as well. Vinyl, laminate, and sealed wood ceramic tile. It's fragrance free, dermatologist tested. It's a grab and lock. Let's see, I'll show this to you real quick. To maximize cleaning effect. So it's textured dot pattern, so you can maximize the cleaning effect. 40 cloths in one. So the lid opens and closes, as you can see. All right, now remember, these products are not on my website, so don't go running to my website looking for these products just as yet. Stay tuned and you'll see them next month on my website. So here is another one, okay? And let me just go ahead and crack this baby open right here. Let's take a look to see what this looks like in person as I open here in front of you for the first time. All right, so packaging, all right. And you can see it comes in a nice little bubble wrap, okay? So there's no damages to the products. All right, let's open this up, okay? And it's a pretty sturdy box, so the items do not break in transit, okay? So let's take a look at this. All right, so it comes in all these little pieces. Let's see. All right, I'm just gonna unveil the whole entire thing first so you can see it clearly. So this is great because this is something like I already use, right? So look at that. Pretty cool, right? Oh wow, this is nice and soft. So I think this will be great addition to my home collection. There we go. All right, and you can see the other side. All right. Now these attach to these, of course, so I will probably end up showing this to you right now if I can just put this all together. So just bear with me a little bit here. Let me just open these all together. And this way you can see what that looks like when putting it all together. All right, so these pieces go on there. All right, so you ready for this? Let's check this out. Let's check this out. So there are screw-ons, so you could just screw them on right here. There you go. It seems like pretty simple so far. Let's take a look. Okay. All right, so takes a little few moments, so just hang on tight, okay? Just bear with me. All right. Okay, I think this is on right, pretty much. Looks it, anyway. Let's see. Okay, I'm not gonna put it too tight because this is only for the video. The mop stick almost fell over. My husband almost jumped to grab it. All right, so let's take a look at this. This is pretty neat. I like this. Look at this handle right here. This is pretty cool. All right, just trying to put that in there. So you can see how tall it is. I'm not tall at all. But you can see next to me, it comes up to here. So it's a good size for anybody to kind of use it to clean and mop their floors, okay? So very easy to assemble, as you can see it, all right? It comes broken down and you can just, you know, kind of put it together, all right? So remember, these products are sneak peek. You can find these products and other products at my website, AzraBeautyHub.com. You can connect with me in different ways if you wish to. I'm on Instagram, I'm on TikTok, I'm on Facebook. Also, I'm here as well on YouTube. You can always leave a comment below. All these products except for the sneak peek products, the website will be down below, so you could just click on it and go check it out if you want more information. If you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and while you're there, don't forget to like. Until next time, have a great day and always keep smiling.